This is an 1856 Italian brick house built nearly 170 years ago in Hannibal, Missouri. Over the years, the house was altered, and much of its beautiful architecture was hidden. Inside, many original details survive, and I believe many more are still waiting to be uncovered. To find the hidden treasure, we have to reveal what has been hidden for generations. The backyard was overgrown and showed decades of neglect. Damaged joists, collapsing brickwork, and secret tunnels were revealed. Every step seems to uncover a new challenge, but also a new piece of the history's house.